In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to Webflow. Quick tutorial. First, open Webflow and head to your workspace dashboard. From there, locate the site you want to edit and open it in the designer. This brings you into the canvas where you can work on your layout. Navigate to the page and section where you want the icons to live. Most people place them in the footer or in a top bar, but anywhere that suits your design is fine. Next, open the Add panel on the left. If you don't see what you need immediately, take a quick look through the categories so you know where things live. You'll find Structure for layout wrappers, Basic for common elements, Typography for text, CMS for collection-based pieces, Media for images and icons, and Forms for inputs and buttons. Since we're adding icons, Media is the area that typically matters most, but let's make this even faster with search. Click into the Add panel's search field and type Facebook. You should see a Facebook icon or component appear in the results. Select it to add it to your page. If you're dragging it in, drop it exactly where you want it in your layout, such as inside a flex container or a small horizontal stack so it aligns nicely with other items. After it's on the canvas, click the icon again to make sure it's selected. With the icon selected, open its settings. In Link Settings, choose URL and paste your Facebook page or profile link. Set it to open in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. While you're here, add meaningful alt text or an ARIA label like Facebook to improve accessibility for screen readers. Style the icon so it fits your design. Give it a class and adjust the size, spacing, and color to match your brand. If it's an SVG, you can often control the fill color directly in the Style panel. If it's a raster image, prepare it at the correct size before uploading. Keep consistent padding around each icon to create a clean row. Repeat the same process to add any other platforms you need using the search field. Search for the network name, add the icon, link it, and style it to match. Keep all icons in a single wrapper so they align and respond well on tablet and mobile. If you need perfect spacing, use Flex or Grid with a small gap value. That's it. Your Facebook icon is in place and clickable, and you can build out the rest in the exact same way. Save your changes and